Hi, this is Dana again, and I'm here to talk about unusual earring displays. You know, oftentimes displays are the bane of every merchandiser's existence. And sometimes you need to add height. We've got the earring racks, and in this case, this is actually a photo holder from Umbra, and you can find unusual things at houseware stores, gift stores. And this came with postcards, pictures, and it was a desktop display. And I've used it to clip onto the earring cards. And then sometimes you will find frames, picture frames that I've converted. I've converted these picture frames, and I had a cabinet maker make this with the bottom wood. So you can try different things, and it doesn't have to be costly. So check out houseware stores.